Are we recording, Jeff?
Yeah.
We're super excited. I'm gonna let you go, and then I'm gonna take the time to kickstart my bike. Goodbye. And then we'll see how long it takes for me to catch up to him or not. Yeah. So this is my second video. We'll take the best video and post it, but this is near the last video that we'll have without a microphone, because I got a microphone set up for my birthday, so our production value is about ready to get real. But for now, we're old school, and then we'll see how long it takes to catch up to Jeff, who's a noob, on a KLX230S. Here we go. Oh, Jeff's in trouble now. Only took one kick. Okay. Shall we go? Let's go. Approaching Jeff. And the reason how we know that it's Jeff is it's a big guy on a little bike. If you look and see here, the suspension is really compressed because Jeff's put on a few pounds. Notice how he doesn't stand up at all. He just stays hard on the seat, which is exactly the wrong way to do it. This as like a video of like how not to ride, and that's my cousin Jeff. But you know, we're gonna give him a passing grade for effort. Get him nice and close to him so we can watch his mechanics. Yeah, he's doing good though. I'm actually proud of him. This is his first official time out on the trail. His second actual, I think, time on the trail. And up here are some roots that oh, that tree is newly down. That's new. That's exciting. Yeah. Anyway, let's try to put my brights on. Wow, little Brody there. I'm so proud of him. Did a little dab. Little dab. That might be the heaviest rider that's ever been on a KLX230. They're definitely not designed for a person of his weight. But, you know, I mean, it's still doing it. It's like the little engine that could. You know, the engine's doing all right. It's the poor suspension that's really struggling under his immense weight. Oh, shit, there he goes. There he goes. Are you okay? Yeah. I'm recording. There you go.
Rounded it out right there.
Yeah, yeah. It's that suspension just having a hard time with your weight gain.
Us fat bums.
I'm sorry. I'm so mean on this video. I don't know if I can actually play it or not.
It's too bad. I was doing fucking good.
Yeah, yeah.
I was rocking before
All right.
you got up to me.
You got this?
I was going way faster than before.
Are you in gear or neutral?
I'm in gear.
Okay. Yeah, just put the clutch in and start it in gear.
Really?
Yeah. Wait, give it a little. Huh. I guess it wants to be in neutral. Yeah, maybe you killed the poor little Kawasaki. Like 6 inches from the ground. So you gotta just be careful where your foot placement is on that bike. But, I mean, it's very, very friendly bike. It's not going to have so much power that you lose control of it or anything like that. So, you know, good bike to learn on, but up and over. All right. My bike really hates going this slow. Now I understand what Logan was talking about. Oh, actually we got that on camera where I missed giving him the fist as nobody behind me, whereas he was being very appropriate for his trail riding etiquette and explaining with his signal that he was a single rider. What I should have done is do this, but I didn't. Bad on me. I'll be better moving forward. I'm just really focusing on not running into Jeff. Hungry. It's nothing new. My wife packed some delicious sandwiches, so looking forward to that. Gonna eat. I think Jeff might be done after this. I get the feeling that this might not be his, like, thing, if you will. But we'll see. He did tell me that he prefers to ride the ruckus. So, tomorrow we'll do a video going to get coffee where he's riding the ruckus. Then I'll be riding the African Twin. That'll be fun. So if we do that tomorrow, that probably will be without a microphone as well, because I may have said earlier, but the microphone will be, or excuse me, the proper case will be here on Wednesday. Every video from Wednesday on will just be like such high production value that you'll really want to subscribe. Alright, we made it through this video. Who knows if I'm going to post it or not, because I don't know how exciting that necessarily was, but that's a good view of somebody who's just learning how to ride. Yeah! Woo! Alright, ta-ta.